Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Fiat 500X Trekking Collection all-wheel drive, stock number B9950A. 25,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, bronze metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of storage in the rear with a removable privacy cover, as well as underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This trekking collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Easy to operate radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats, as well as heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest, along with dual glove boxes. Under the hood, this 500 has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.